Yo guys, what's up? We're gonna do back testing, then we're gonna go into stuff. Let's get straight into it. So I'm gonna quickly show you guys how I do my levels. Okay, so all we're gonna do is go to yesterday. Alright, we're gonna go yesterday. We're gonna go like this. We're gonna grab the top part. Alright, that looks about right. Alright, good idea. And then we'll do like the pre-market high, which is right here. We'll do the pre-market low, which is this one. Then we'll grab this guy, move him over a little bit. Yeah, looks about right. Alright, and then we're just gonna look for today, see where we have a break, see where we don't have a break. Alrighty. Let's make sure this is correct. Alright, yeah. Alrighty. So we're just gonna go, hit replay. Full screen this guy. Alright, let's get straight into it. Alright. Okay, we broke. I'm not gonna trade the first couple minutes. Strong, too strong. Alright, we're waiting on just something to happen. Okay. Am I gonna enter this? No, because we're already at high of day here. Nope, not entering that. Very weak. Okay, so now I'm looking for a break below this zone, probably maybe that 200 EMA. Alright. Alright, boom. Break below 200 EMA. I probably wouldn't have taken that though, because it's like barely even a break. We're just kind of sweeping here. Sweeping. Okay, there's a break. So a nice break. So hopefully we can get like a nice little pullback. Okay. Nope. Ooh, this is flipping hard. No, I don't trust it yet. Alright, let's see what we get. We're still chopping. Alright, I want to see a break at that low. Okay, nice. Give us a pullback. Alright, it's a strong pullback. Not the type of candle I want to see. That's really hard. Let's look at the 5-minute candle here. So where are we exactly? This is our candle. No. Man, we are not moving today. Yeah. Okay, let's see. Alright, so I want to break this now. It's a new support. Okay, let's just wait for pre-market low break, honestly. Pre-market low break. Come on, give us something. A little aggressive. Too aggressive. Come on. Give it to us. Nope. It's just giving us weird signs all day. Yeah, like, what is that? Where are we today? Oh my god, what is this? This is a garbage trading day. Wow, what the hell is this? This is some dookie price action. Maybe if we get a break like this. Right, like, see, I mean, I don't like it. Nothing ever comes good out of it. I mean, looking at the 5-minute here, that looked really crispy. Let me look what that setup was there. What was that? That was like here. Yeah, look how weak this is. Maybe I should have entered on this. Man, it's okay. Alright, whatever. Rest of the day was kind of bad. So, here's what we'll do. Let's chart out tomorrow's levels. Right, let's just chart out tomorrow's levels, and then from there we will move to QQQ, because just because SPY doesn't know how to move does not mean we don't have to trade. We can also definitely trade on other things as well. Okay, boom. I would say that I'll leave the upper level there just in case. Yeah, I will make it a little more accurate. Okay. Nice. Alright, we got our levels and stuff. This music is a banger, but okay, so let's go to QQQ now. See if QQQ gave us any moves today. So just taking a quick look, looks like we consolidated basically the whole week. So let's just boom, zone number 1. Alright, cool. Let's draw another one. Looks like this is another zone we got. Oh, look right there. Let's see, let's zoom in a little bit what we got. Alright, so we have this zone here. We're just gonna chart it out like this, nice and simple. Alright, boom. There's another zone. Yeah, we basically chopped there the whole week. Today we kind of broke above them. We respected this zone, so I'll just keep it here. What I will now, I'll adjust it a little bit. Alright. Then, of course, you know, we have this from yesterday. Just gotta mark it, even if it doesn't really make sense right now. Just have to mark it. Then let's do pre-market low, pre-market high. Let's see if we get any sort of plays off of this today. Alright, let's just go replay. Alright, let's go. Let's see what we got. Immediately, we're gonna pull back. That's a little aggressive. Alright, let's wait for a break. No pullback yet. Still no pullback. I like that. Let's go long. Let's see. I have a feeling this will be a loss just from what I'm thinking. Yeah, gotta flip an insta stopped out. It's alright. Now, why is this a bad trade? We didn't have a confluence of the zone. Like, we still had to pull back to this higher zone. So, probably should have waited for a more normal pullback. Plus, I saw this. This is going against my rules. I should not enter when a candle looks like that. So, let's see. Let's see. Okay. So, it's kind of like a big bull flag type of thing here. So, if I look at this, like, right. Basically, yeah. Okay, it looks like it doesn't work out anyway. Maybe let's look for a play below the 200 EMA for a play today. Okay. Let's see what we get. Break below the 200 EMA, come on. Nope, 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 nope. You get a break. Nope. Break below. Alright, let's see if we get anything. Just wait for a pre-market low break. No, flip and just chop all day. Is it like this the whole rest of the day? Damn. Okay. Chop the whole day. Let's look at IWM then. So IWM is going to be our final one that we look at today. It's a trade. Just taking a quick look, you know, kind of ranging a little bit. Okay. So if we just draw out some zones basically. Alright. Yep, so let's just draw out some zones, right? It's the same sort of idea. We're just going to draw basically top of previous wick. Or the top wick to the next candle body. Oh. I don't know what the hell just happened. Here we go. Guess I just broke the app. I guess I'm just that much of a G. Alright. Alright, so basically, let's just chart this out. Cool beans. Just clone it. Alright, cool. Suppose. Alright. Okay. That looks about right. Let's clone it again. Put this over here. See how I like respected the zone so much, so that's why I kind of like this zone. So now let's get some zones for today. Oh my god, what just happened? Alright, so, yep, boom, boom. Plotting out these zones like an absolute G. Looks like we need a zone down here, so let's plot out something here. Alright, cool, boom. There's a zone. Let's plot out another zone. No biggie. No biggie at all. Alright, boom, all our zones are here. Let's not complicate things. Okay, cool. Let's do our pre-market stuff. Pre-market right here. Pre-market right here. And the reason I'm not marking this is because it's a ghost wick. So you're able to tell that because it looks flippin' stupid. Alright, but anyway, let's see if we get any plays today. Looks like we do get some. Alright. Okay, get a quick break below. I'm not gonna trade like the opening. Nice. Alright, if we break the support and then we get some sort of pullback, let's see. Okay, nice. I want to enter off that. I think I'm gonna get railed on this trade. Yep, I got railed on it. Sick. Good trade, just got railed on it. It's alright. What matters is being able to hop back in and go again. So like we break below this, and then we see it at another setup form. The very weak one, right? So obviously we should have entered here, set our stop loss at 13. And should have just targeted low of day, which we did end up hitting, right? So like, that's the mentality you gotta have. If you see your setup form twice, like obviously you had a very strong rejection, that's what should have told me, right? Like when we had that strong rejection, that's what should have told me, okay, let's get out of this. And I mean, let's get back into this, right? Because maybe if it was a weak move down, then fine, that makes sense. But obviously it moved out a very strong way. Let's see, this is our new zone to kind of watch for today. I don't know why we're going to one. Alright. Nice, okay, I like that. I like this. Stop loss. Nice, you see that? Boom, easy trade, easy trade. Do you see that? That was such an easy trade. Beautiful setup. We're coming right here, we flag into it, we're like basically, we've already broken below the close of this candle, close of these candles. We're coming up, the beautiful trade, just beautiful. We had a nice move down. Alright, so let's say we sold at the low of day, probably like here, and probably like here too, right? That's probably where I would have sold realistically, instead of break even stop loss, probably would have got stopped out here, that's alright with me. Beautiful trade. Right, and even this too, I should have entered that, that's my fault. Apologies. Yep, there you go. Beautiful trade. Flipping all the way down. IWM is very smooth. I love it. That's nice. That's a beautiful trade right there. See you guys, and that's why you can't. That's why, you know, you have to wait for good setups. That was like, there's like 3 good setups there today. 1 loser and 3 winners on IWM, which is beautiful, right? So let's try out tomorrow's levels. I really like doing this, guys, because it keeps me accountable to you guys. You guys get to see my thought process as well, even though I'm not a millionaire, but I will be, so I am a little bit egotistical. It's alright though. So yeah, you know, we just tried out tomorrow's zones. I think this is probably going to be an important zone for tomorrow, just because we had a big move down today, right? And then we can obviously keep that zone. Let's go maybe like this, right? Right, so boom, bam, bop. Alright, go for tomorrow. We have that. We have QQQ. Alright, so like if we look at today's zone on QQQ, also absolute garbage. Alright, so let's go and chart it out for tomorrow. Alright, boom. Obviously, we have a flip ton of support right here. It's insane. Boom. Alright, boom, boom. Okay. Alright, sorry, this back testing kind of dragged on a little bit, but very simple, very easy. I liked it. Okay, but let's get on to my favorite part of the day, the journaling. So yeah, I'll cut back to it in a second. Switched up the music, boys, but let's get into this. This is what I'm actually gonna be playing on piano very soon. So hopefully, this goes pretty well. I don't know why I can't rename this. Can I rename it? Call it 9/24/2024. Alright, so if we have, oops. For the next one, boom. Alright, 9/25/2024. Let's get into it. So, today, right? We were down on a firm. We were actually down a lot, then we came back up. It's like plus 20. And then we ended at negative like 30 or something on the day. But I did close a position in $25 of profit. So I like how this is going, right? Like I'm only risking a couple thousand. I'm making like 70, 80 bucks a week, which is like really easy. And I'm not risking that thousand on anything crazy. Like if I lose, it's not like I'm losing that money. I'm just investing in good companies, right? And I'm starting to like the leverage names more. So that's more like stuff like NVDL, SOXL, TNA, TQQQ, TSLL. I love all those. They give really good premiums. So I like those for that reason. The relationships, right? So today I didn't have anything crazy, Today, I met my friends at the gym and I gave them a hug. My friends a hug because, I think it's important to value your friends, and I think these are the golden moments of life, so I want to enjoy these moments. I do have Hoko coming up soon, so we're making plans for what we want to do and where we want to eat. But obviously Hoko is this Saturday, so hopefully, we'll get to that in a little bit, don't worry, but I'm gonna put a Medortea. You're gonna look that up in Romanian. But yeah, I miss her, bro. It's alright. It's alright. Ashwagandha be kicking in. What can I say? Ashwagandha kicking in a little bit. Like low-key, I do feel like a little bit less like sad and like a little bit less emotional with the ashwagandha, but it might just be placebo. But it's not like I'm thinking about it all the time either. I think it's pretty cool. So trading, what did I learn off of that? Do not overlook the setup. Don't force trades, right? Because what I did is I ignored a strong pullback engulfing candle after the move up. So that's basically like what I'm saying is like basically it went up like this, right? And then it went boom, like this big juicier candle right here. I never want to enter on plays like this. So I entered on play like that. So that's something I don't want to do. I always want the plays to be like, got our candles going up, and then we have like this, like it's going like this, and we're chilling. And then we have like this, and then we enter, set our profit target, set our stop loss, right? Then we go into drawdown, boom, take profit, everything is done, and now we're happy. So business and marketing, right? So today I worked on creating ad scripts for my client in pressure washing, right? So basically, he's doing gutter cleaning right now. So I did like 2-3 hours of research. I feel like I could have done it in an hour, but I'm slow. So I made it take longer than it should have, which is alright. But basically I made the ad script, figured out how to write it, how to edit it, and sent him the script to record. I also made a few more before and after pictures of ads. So I don't know if I can show you those real quick. Yeah, let me whip them out real quick. So, if I go to here, let's see if I can find them somewhere. Yeah, so they should be in here. Where are they at? Yeah. Where are they at? Let's see if they're in there. Yeah, so I have this one. Okay, I guess I don't have all of them in here, but I'll show them to you at some point, guys. But basically, yeah, I made those pictures of ads. We're gonna start running ads. The goal is to start running ads by the end of this week. And also, when he was talking to me, right, the guy also showed me how valuable a personal brand is, because he talked about a small marketing dude who was an expert in his Facebook group, right? And it was like a small Facebook group, but he trusted him so much, which is how I need to become. So like, if I have that level of trust inside a Facebook group, I just have infinite clients, because apparently he told me that guy has so many clients. Or all just you like Google ads, okay. So in school, right? No tests today. I did see the tomato, so the person I liked. Alright, I did see them. I didn't really talk to them that much. You know, they weren't wearing glasses today. So, you know, I tried to talk to them a little bit, but didn't really talk to them that much, you know. Didn't talk to them that much, but wanted to low-key, right? After that, you know, I did go in the hall to try and see them after school was over. So like, I know they always go through one of the halls, so I tried to walk through the hall that they always go through. I did see them, but I only said a couple words. You know, I'm having a great time with Caleb and Chris tomorrow. So those are two of my friends. They really like classical music. So, you know, from school they invited me to go see Rachmaninoff number Concerto number 3, which is insane. You know, Chris's dad is picking us up, and chamber strings tomorrow on top of that, which is crazy. But you know, school is weird. I'm starting to hate school more and more every single day, because I'm starting to realize how useless it is. Like, I have classes where it's all just theory, and I hate it. It flipping sucks. Right, and the gym, obviously, you know, I met Shaminder again, the Jacked Indian dude. Met all the other friends like Vlad, Nick Cook, Rupon, Tudor at the gym, and I had such a good time with them. I mean, I have a good time with them every day, but today was really nice hitting the legs. Was really nice hitting the legs really quick. I really like those guys. I really do. Like, everyone has their flaws with them. I have my flaws too. But you know, like, each one of them has their own little like quirks and things and stuff too. But the one cool thing was I met a guy called RJ. So he's new to the school, but he vibes with all of us. I like how it's like kind of blending everything together. But yeah, just hit legs today was my 300th workout, and pretty much it. You know, I came home, I ate, I chilled. But something super important that I want to touch on is I had a lesson that I want to talk about today, right? So I had a big fight with my dad, and it's because, you know, he never would accept the fact that he was wrong. I like to think that I'm pretty open to accepting when I'm wrong, but the importance of accepting that you're wrong is something that I still need to work on, and it's something everything needs to work on. It's something everyone needs to work on, because that's when you truly are able to understand better yourself. You know, it doesn't help when like someone tells you you're doing something wrong and you're just like, yeah, okay. That doesn't help. You need to understand that you're wrong sometimes, right? So, like, you know, if someone says that you're wrong, you gotta really be like, okay, you know what? I am wrong. I'm wrong. This is why I'm wrong. I see your point. It makes sense. You know, it makes sense to try and understand where they're coming from. I like to think I'm very open to that, but I know sometimes I get ahead of myself and I think I'm the best. Or I know sometimes I get egotistical. I like to show off. But I try to keep that down as much as possible, and I try to be humble. I try to know that people are there smarter than me, their own craft. So I think that's something very important. I'm sure no one is watching this video by this point, but I'm doing this for me. But yeah, that's basically, you know, I bought my mom some new AirPods. Right, so let me actually add this to my relationships, you know. bought my mom new AirPod Pro 2s as my first gift after working and making money. Right. Oh yeah, and I also worked. Got my work schedule and pay stub and stuff like that from Jerry. And I, met RJ at the gym. But yeah, that's basically it for me today, guys. Anyway, see ya. Bye.